Bienvenidos and welcome. I hope you had a good weekend. If you're watching this, hoy es lunes, el 19 de octubre, the 19th of October. If you're one of my A-Day kids, or if you're B-Day, then hoy es martes, el 20 de octubre, the 20th of October. Okay. Hoy vamos a hablar un poquito del tiempo. We're going to talk a little bit about the weather. Okay. So, first thing, you should have a note sheet in Google Classroom. So if you would open that, it's going to be like our Google Doc that's got the vocab in it. And so you're going to need that because we have some vocabulary to learn. So I'll give you a second to type in and fill in that vocabulary that is here. Keep in mind you can pause this. Keep in mind you can take a screenshot of this. Take a picture with your phone. Okay? So I'll give you a minute here to do that.
Yo no entiendo de colores ni de raza. A mí me gusta el morenito de tu cara. Te he buscado en cada tarde.
Alright, sorry, not sure what happened to the song there. So let's review real quick. So hace frío, it's cold. Hace calor, it's hot. Hace sol, it's sunny. Está nublado, it's cloudy. If you're watching this on Monday today, then it's definitely cloudy right now. Y también un poco de hace frío. Está nublado parcial, this is partly cloudy. Chispeando is sprinkling. There's two ways to say snowing and raining. Okay, you can say nieve or está nevando for snowing, or you can say llueve or está lloviendo for it's raining. Hace viento for windy, and then está neblinoso for it's foggy. Okay. Coffee's not kicked in yet. Alright, so let's look at some examples. So keep your list in front of you, right? And let's see here. So first one up. All right, so look at your list. A lot of these could be a couple, all right? But this one specifically, one big bright sunny, right? So you should get hace sol. Hace sol. All right. Very good. All right, let's check our next slide. So look at your list. Está nublado parcial. Está nublado parcial. All right, so a lot of our clip art, right? So it's a little strange, It happens. All right. So this one is hace calor. Hace calor. Again, remember our H. We do not pronounce our H in Spanish. This isn't hace calor, right? Hace calor. The H is silent. Hace calor. Ooh, this is our one with two. One of our ones with two, right? So there's a couple different ways that we can say this. We can say llueve, or we can say está lloviendo. Remember, our LL makes a Y sound, right? So llueve or está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. Alright. There's not very good clip art for this one. This guy's blowing, right? Like it's very... So, it is hace viento. Hace viento. It is windy. Hace viento. Ayer hace viento. It was very windy yesterday. Alright. So we got a nice little penguin man here, living up in the North Pole. South Pole. Penguins don't live in the North Pole. Penguins only live in the South Pole. Alright. And hace frío. Hace frío. Alright. So ahora, now you're going to take your vocab. We've walked through a couple of examples. You're going to do that second section on your sheet where you fill in the clip art, right? There's more examples. And then on the bottom of your sheet, you have different cities. You're going to look up the weather for different cities, okay? For this, I am not interested in, like, the numerical temperature, right? I don't want Buenos Aires, Argentina, 36 degrees, right? I want hace frío, hace sol, está nublado parcial, right? So use one of our weather phrases that describes what the weather is in those 7 cities, okay? Yeah, and we're good to go. So, thank you, and if you have any questions, let me know.